All right, bud. So logged into your account, and I'm going to show you how to do the younger kids first. So if I go down to fourth period, and you go down to report card, you can see that these are here, effort and understands and applies content. So the first thing you need to do is hit post, and that's going to unlock it. I don't know why you have to do that, but you have to do that. This is the lowest. This is, I don't know, this is non-satisfactory, satisfactory, and excellent. So, or it exceeds expectations or something. I don't even know. So, obviously the kids that are really good at, who are doing a great job, they should get to E's. Right? I'll just put an S in here for now. And if you just hit this arrow and it shoots it right across. And then you can just go by and change. I'll just do it really quick. And then you can change it, so on and so forth. So it's super, super easy to do. All right. So I will go back and delete that. The same thing goes for this one. So 4s are going to be for your best athletes, 3, 2, 1. All right. And so say a 4 and then shoot it across. And same thing, just edit it as you need to. All right. So that's that one. Let's go back up to your other class. Let's go to 5th period. So if you do try to do the same thing for 5th grade, you'll see that there's no things here. That means that we need to use a grade book. So we're going to grade book. And so from here, just so you're in grade book, just slide over and you'll have first period, first market period. You just type in their score, so whatever that would be. And again, if you have some kids that have similar scores, 95s or 100s or whatever, you just type it in and then you would hit this little caret down and it would automatically fill everything in. I don't know about grade wise, that might not work all that great for you, but the comments will help out. So again, I shared that list of comments the last time, so you could use the same one still. And let's just see. I forgot the numbers, but let's just call it follows directions. All right, so say it's follow directions, and if there's something else you want to put in, so 1.3, and you can put another one in. I don't even know what I'm going to type in. I'm just going to type in 10. I don't even know what it is. You can lift it up. You can look it up. And if you hit the down arrow, it's going to fill it all in again, straight down for everybody that's in your class. And then again, just go back and edit the ones that need to be changed. The kids who have behavioral issues or something like that. All right. That will get you started. And we'll talk more about setting up a grade book in a different way for the next quarter when I see you on Tuesday. Later.